on. Run into a group of suckers who getting their hate on. You walk by, they get wrong. You reply, then things get blown way out of proportion. Way past discussion, just you against them. Pick one and rush them. Figure you'll get jumped here, that's now. So they don't wanna stop there, now they bustin'. Now you gushing. Ambulance rushing you to the hospital with a bad concussion. Plus you hit 4 times, bullet hit your spine. Paralyzed way down, in your wheelchair bound. Never mind that now, you lucky to be alive. Just think it all started, you fussing with 3 guys. Nigga, pride in the way, but your pride is the way you can mess around, get shot, die in a day. People die every day, all over nonsense. Dirty money, dice game, stash box contents. Could this be cause of hip-hop music? Did the ones with the good sense not use it? Usually, people don't know what to do when it back against the wall, so they just start shooting. For red or for blue or for dough, I guess. From Bankhead up to your project. Ain't no more straight, now I'm straight. Now I get it, now I take time to think before I make mistakes, just for my family's sake. That part of me left yesterday. The heart of me is strong today. No regrets, I'm blessed to say the old me dead and gone away.
Oh, I've been traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home. The old me is dead and gone, dead and gone. And oh, I've been traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home. The old me is dead and gone, dead and gone.
I ain't never been scared. I lived through tragic situations, could have been dead. Looking back at it, most of that stuff didn't even have to happen. But you don't think about it when you're out there trapping in apartments, hanging, smoking and rapping, sucker star. Some next thing you know, we at it. Get locked up, then didn't even get mad. Now thinking back, damn, what a life I had. Most of that stuff look back, just laugh. Some stuff still look back, get sad. Maybe my homeboy still be around. Had I not hit the sucker in the mouth that time. I won that fight, I lost that war. I can still see my homie walking out that door. Man, who'd have thought I'd never see for lunch no more? Got enough dead homies, I don't want no more. I had to pay with a job, but it cost me more. I should've walked off, took that loss for sure. Now think before I risk my life. Take them chances to get my strike. Somebody put their hands on me, alright. Otherwise stand there, talk all night. Cause I hit you and you sue me. I shoot you, get locked up, who me? No more stress, now I'm straight. Now I get it, now I take time to think before I make mistakes, just for my family's sake. That part of me left yesterday. The heart of me is strong today. No regrets, I'm blessed to say the old me dead and gone away.
Oh, I've been traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home. The old me is dead and gone, dead and gone. And oh, I've been traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home. The old me is dead and gone, dead and gone. I turn my head to the east, I don't see nobody by my side. I turn my head to the west, still nobody inside. So I turn my head to the north, swallow that pill that they call pride. That old me's dead and gone, but that new me'll be alright. I turn my head to the east, I don't see nobody by my side. I turn my head to the west, still nobody inside. So I turn my head to the north, swallow